So this is our chapter challenge for Team Saturn by Lou Kyan, Finn McConaughey, and Ian Estrada. Oh. All right, so the first section, 1-1, is reaction time. This plays a key part in the size of the stop sign because a person with a slower reaction time will take longer to realize they need to slow down and then brake, which makes the stop sign much bigger, so they will have more space to react. It doesn't affect the go zone because you don't need to decide to press the brake if you're in the go zone. You just leave your foot on the accelerator, no deciding needed. Also, in the equation for the go zone, you need a reaction time, but you don't need it in the go zone equation. Below, you can see these spreadsheets, which show this. The second chapter is 1-2 measurement. 1-2 measurement. Measurement is important for the go zone because it is dependent on an accurate measurement of the intersection width. If there were any sort of errors in our measurement of the width, it would affect the go zone, but not the stop zone. This is because the width determines how long it will take for you to go through the intersection, which will affect where you can go from, but not where you can stop from. Also, the equation for the go zone has a width in it, unlike the equation for the stop zone. Here's some more spreadsheets to show that. 1-3 speed. If you increase your speed, you make the go zone and stop zone bigger. If you decrease your speed, the go zone and stop zone will get smaller. This plays a key part in the size of the stop zone because a person with a greater speed will need to make a decision faster because you're covering more ground. Here are some more spreadsheets to prove that. 1-4 motion. The acceleration of the car, or the motion of the car, affects the stop and go zones because with more acceleration, there's longer stop and go zones. It is important that there is no acceleration, that the drivers are driving at the speed limit and at a constant rate when we are trying to determine the go and stop zones. This is true because we assume they are going at the speed limit. So if they're going faster, both zones will get bigger, which we also show in these spreadsheets up here. 1-5 negative acceleration. Negative acceleration plays a key part in the stop zone because the more negative acceleration is added, the smaller the stop zones become, but the go zone stays the same. This is because negative acceleration is used when the car is braking, and the car will not brake when it is going through the go zone. It'll just keep on going at a constant rate through the yellow light. And then these are our intersections with our drawings and our spreadsheets and our pictures. Thank you. And